Dhananjay, he told Rajiv, your car is on the road. Give me the key of your car so that I can park it. So when the key of the car was given, Dhananjay then drove off in that car. Under the leadership.
और ये जो बॉस थे यही भदौरिया जी हैं?
नहीं, ये कहीं सबूत नहीं है।
आप कुछ तो कहीं तो जोड़ेंगे ना?
मैं तो था ही नहीं वहां पे, मैं आपको बताऊंगा। मुझे तो कहीं और से पकड़ के लाए।
बताइए सर।
Yeah. Namlet, on 20, the prosecution cases that on 24/8/2013, the complainant Rajesh Jain, PW1, was asked to come to Indore to finalize the draft for the sale deal and also to meet the boss. Now, it said, Milad, that in the evening, at about 5 p.m., the complainant was asked to come to the Radisson Hotel, outside the Radisson Hotel. And it is said that Dhananjay and Pradeep alias Rajiv Srivastav met him over there. And
So
they said,
two persons met Rajesh.
yes, Milad.
Rajesh was called to Radisson Hotel at 5 p.m. At 5 p.m.
But
to finalize draft of sale deed. He meets Dhananjay
and Pradeep alias Rajiv Srivastav.
and Pradeep alias Rajiv Srivastav.
Milad, they told him that their boss was parked at a short distance at the bypass and that they should go over there. So it is said, Milad, that PW1, who was in his Swift car, took Dhananjay and Pradeep and they went to the bypass. Once they reached the bypass, they found a white-colored car that was parked over there. And two persons were standing outside that car. He was told that the boss was sitting inside the car and that Rajesh should meet him. Similar, Rajesh parked the car, got out, and he met this person who was sitting on the back seat of the car, who then invited him to come and sit inside the car. Dhananjay, he told Rajiv, your car is on the road. Give me the key of your car so that I can park it. So when the key of the car was given, Dhananjay then drove off in that car. It said that Rajiv then went and sat on the driver's seat. And the two persons who were standing outside, one sat on the seat next to the driver, and the other man went and sat next to Rajiv. So Rajiv was sandwiched between the so-called boss and this man who was standing outside.
Rajesh was sandwiched.
Rajesh, he was on the back seat.
Person who had come is Rajesh. It is Rajesh Kumar Jain.
Yes. So he went and sat on the back seat. On one side, on his left side was the so-called boss.
Yes.
And on his right side, one of the persons who was standing outside the car.
He joined there.
He went and sat down.
One person joined on the front seat by the side of the driver.
Yes.
Another person who was standing outside joined on the back seat by the side of the boss.
And straight away they pulled out pistols and they said.
उसके बाद उसको फरीदाबाद ले गए.
मेरे थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे. They put pistols to him and said that they wanted a ransom of 5 crores,
जी.
to which he said he would not be able to pay. Then it is said that he was asked to furnish the telephone number of his house. So a telephone number was given, the landline to the house of the
Rajesh
complainant, and telephone call was made. Rajiv Jain, PW2, the younger brother, picked up the phone,
Jain. जी.
and it is said that a ransom demand was made from PW2.
जी.
It's also said, the prosecution case,
जी.
that in the meantime, another brother, Santosh, PW3, also rang up the mobile of the complainant. Whilst talking, it is said that the mobile was given to Shyam Soni, PW4.
जी.
And one of the persons who was an abductor, a ransom demand of 5 crores was also made to him.
जी.
And thereafter they drove away.
Santosh called whom? The person who was abducted or his brother Rajiv?
Matlab, Santosh rang up his brother,
Which
Rajiv.
Rajiv.
Rajiv picked up the phone.
जी.
It is said that he said something which Santosh could not understand.
जी.
So he handed over the mobile
To
to Shyam.
Shyam Soni. जी.
And when the mobile was handed over to Shyam, one of the abductors took the phone away from PW1, spoke to Shyam, and said that he had been kidnapped and he would only be spared if a ransom of 5 crores was paid.
नहीं. So the thing is that Santosh did not call Rajiv, but he actually called Rajesh, because when Rajesh was in the car, not Rajiv.
That's, yes, Mr. Rajesh, PW1.
PW1. Then PW1 gave phone to PW4, Santosh, Shyam Soni.
Yes, Mr.
जी. Shyam Soni was also in the car.
Shyam Soni was with PW3 at the Sayaji Hotel.
नहीं. So it was PW3 gave phone to PW4.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Then
And
PW4
then demand was made.
wanted to speak to PW1, but in the meantime, the phone was snatched away.
जी.
And it is said that somebody then spoke to PW4
जी.
and made this demand of 5 crores.
जी. जी. ठीक.
Now, thereafter, Rajiv Jain, PW2, he went to PS Kotwali at Khandwa, where he lodged the FIR Exhibit P4.
जी. जी.
Then the scene shifts to Faridabad.
जी.
On 28/8/13,
जी.
the Faridabad, the crime branch at Faridabad, they received information that a person who had been kidnapped in Indore, that he was here in sector number 3, in flat number 1106.
जी.
Millard, under the leadership.
और ये जो बॉस थे यही भदौरिया जी हैं.
नहीं, ये कहीं सबूत नहीं है.
आप कुछ तो कहीं तो जोड़ेंगे ना।
अब मैं तो था ही नहीं वहां पे, मैं आपको बताऊंगा। मुझे तो कहीं और से पकड़ के लाए।
जी,
I mean,
I understand.
I'll be able to demonstrate to your lordship. I'm not speaking in the air. I mean, under the leadership of ACP Rajesh Kumar Chawla, PW 26,
ये फरीदाबाद के हैं।
ये फरीदाबाद के हैं. A team was constituted that included Inspector Narendra, PW 23, and two police officers from Khandwa,
इंस्पेक्टर नरेंद्र पीडब्ल्यू
PW 23.
जी
Also two officers from Khandwa,
जी
Shri Inspector R.C. Bhakar, PW 29,
हाँ
and ASI Vijay Singh Paraste, PW 30. But they went to this flat
जी
at about 4 o'clock in the morning.
जी
They found that a white Innova was parked outside the flat.
जी
The flat consists of 3 stories.
जी
The flat is owned.
Flat नहीं, building must be of 3 stories.
But it's just, yes, it's one building consisting
One
of 3.
of three floors,
Yes,
and they apprehended them from one of the floors.
from the second floor. But it's owned by Muni Raj Nagar, PW 24.
जी
Sorry, Millet. It's owned by Shri Krishna, PW 11.
Hmm.
So they reached there at 4 o'clock in the morning. They found that a white colored car was parked outside. They suspected this to be a stolen car because they felt that the number, something was awry with the number. But in any case, they say that they staked the place waiting for the inmates of the flats to come out.
जी
And it is said that at about 6 o'clock in the morning,
जी
Sudhir,
Hmm.
he came out of the flat.
Hmm.
He came near this white colored vehicle that was parked,
Hmm.
and he was apprehended over there at about 6, 7 in the morning.
जी
And from his possession, a pistol was seized.
Hmm.
White exhibit P32.
जी
Thereafter, it is said that this police party, they went up to the second floor.
जी
They forced open the door. They found that PW1 was there in an unconscious condition.
जी
And 3 other persons were found
जी
inside.
कौन थे वो?
I'm just. There was Muhammad Inam alias Haji,
मोहम्मद इनाम एडीएस हाजी,
Onkar alias Sethi,
एडीएस सेठी,
and Pradeep alias Rajiv Shrivastava.
प्रदीप एलियस राजीव
Yes.
जी।
Well, at 11:20 a.m.,
जी
a memorandum exhibit P28 was recorded. And from the flat where the kidnapped person, where PW1 had been incarcerated,
जी
a large quantity of arms and ammunition were purportedly discovered on the basis of this memorandum.
सीजर मेमो
Willard, the Caesar memo exhibit P32.
जी
10 minutes, it is said
जी
that at 3:10 p.m.
जी
So, sorry a minute. The Caesar is at 3:10 p.m.
जी
Wide exhibit P32.
जी
Willard, on 31/8/2013,
38
31/8/2013, or Willard, it's like, sorry, on 28/8/2013,
जी
a transit remand
जी
was granted by Miss Nitika Bhardwaj, Judicial Magistrate.
चार लोग मिले वहां पर।
हाँ।
भदौरिया जी मिले,
जी
इनाम साहब मिले, ओमकार इलियस सेठी और प्रदीप इलियस राजीव,
yeah,
इन चारों की ट्रांजिट रिमांड हो गई खंडवा के लिए।
खंडवा के लिए ये हुआ 28 तारीख को।
हाँ, और ये धनंजय साहब हैं, ये तो कार लेके पहले ही निकल लिए थे इंदौर से, ठीक है ना।
तो जा
इनका रोल था, इन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस वहां पर बुलाया रेडिसन होटल के बाहर में, और जो है उनको बॉस से मिलवाने के लिए ले गए, और बॉस से मिलवाकर इनका काम खत्म हो गया, ये निकल लिए। जी। अब 5 लोग हो गए टोटल, कितने हैं इसमें? 1 2 3 4 5 6 लोग हैं मेरे ख्याल से
जी।
अभी रिपु सुदन जी का रोल नहीं आया, राजेश गौतम का।
हाँ।
रिपु सुदन जी का रोल नहीं आया। विल यू लाइक टू ब्रीफली थ्रो लाइट ऑन इट, और छोड़ दें अभी?
I'm not prepared.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, चलिए आप अपने स्टाइल से चलिए।
Millard, even though the transit remand was granted on 28/8/2013,
जी
the accused was produced before CGM Khandwa
जी
on 31/8/2013.
जी produced at Khandwa on
31/8/2013.
13 जी
Over there, Millard, the police remand was obtained.
जी
Now, for how many days, I'm not able to say, Millard.
नहीं ठीक है। अभी तक की स्टोरी में 4 लोग तो 5 लोग तो कनेक्ट हो गए,
हाँ
एंड उनके रोल डिफाइन हो गए।
जी।
भदौरिया साहब कार में आए थे नीचे,
या।
उस ठीक है, भदौरिया साहब को अपनी इनोसेंस बताने के लिए बताना पड़ेगा कि वो उस लोकेलिटी के बाशिंदे थे, एंड इट वाज अ मूवमेंट इन द यूजुअल कोर्स ऑफ लाइफ, एंड देयर वाज नथिंग अनयूजुअल टू बी प्रेजेंट इन फरीदाबाद इन सेक्टर 3
Well, then I'll be able to convince your lordship that he was not there.
हाँ ठीक है we are
Because
open to it.
Evidence in that regard is so highly contradictory, can't be believed.
Sir, we are open to it.
So, minutes thereafter, a test identification parade was held on 18/9/2013. The TIPSP 11 conducted by Naib Tehsildar Malla Ahirwar, TW 13. In which the appellant was identified by TW1.
जी. जी.
My defense says I was not present over there. I was shown to the identifying witness,
एक second.
and I was not arrested at Faridabad, at sector number 3, Faridabad.
जी.
My submissions are as follows, Manad. I submit that this story that there was a demand of ransom is palpably false.
जी.
And if that is so,
तो इंदौर की प्रॉपर्टी के संबंध में फरीदाबाद घूमने गए थे. खंडवा की प्रॉपर्टी जिसका इंदौर में डील हो रही थी उसको देखने के लिए फरीदाबाद गए थे.
ऐसा नहीं.
संतोष की रिकवरी आपको नहीं. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट संतोष की रिकवरी
जी
फरीदाबाद से है, इस बारे में कोई डाउट नहीं है. ठीक है, सेक्टर 3 से है. एक मिनट के लिए ब्रॉडली स्पीकिंग सो दैट यू कैन डेवलप ऑन द नेक्स्ट डेट. टाइम इज रनिंग आउट. जस्ट व्हाट वी आर थिंकिंग लाउडली वी कैन एक्सप्रेस इट सो दैट यू कैन डेवलप ऑन इट. सो one thing is not in dispute that Santosh was recovered in an unconscious state at Faridabad.
Rajesh.
Rajesh, sorry.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Rajesh PW1.
Yes.
One.
Yes.
Two, broadly speaking for now, because their counsel are not available, 3 persons, Inam, Mohammad Inam, that Pradeep, and one more gentleman. They were also found to be in that flat.
Yes.
Right? Omkar Ilyaseti. They were in that flat. Your arrest has been shown from below the flat.
Yes.
In front, from almost near to the Innova car, white color Innova car.
Yes.
ठीक है? You were arrested from Faridabad. Now you will have to demonstrate that firstly your arrest is fallacious. 2, no remand. If you were not there, then there could not have been any remand from Faridabad court in regard to you. If we understand correctly, remand order makes mention of the persons who have been sent to the. So remand order is also required to be seen.
Yes.
At what was the order of remand? Who all were remanded to the Khandwa court. 3, that you will have to demonstrate that since there was gap of 17-18 days when you were produced at CGM court Khandwa and TIP took place, there were chances of that being a.
Absolutely. That is going to be my submission. So that my submission is that there was no ransom demand.
That we have not
and
noted.
Consequently, 364A is not attracted.
Ji.
At the very highest, it would be 365.
Ji.
That's my first submission.
धीरे से उस दिन तिवारी जी भी तो यही बोल रहे थे।
जी हाँ सर। ये बिल्कुल डिमांड का तो साहब इतना कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी आया है,
अरे वो
able
ठीक है,
to-
ठीक है। अब उतना ही समझना है कि फरीदाबाद टॉफी खाने गए थे, चाट खाने गए थे, क्यों गए थे फरीदाबाद, बस
नहीं, वो तो जिनने
समझ में।
जिनने भी उठाया वो उत्तरदायी हो जाएंगे साहब, हम नहीं थे, हम
अरे हाँ,
यही
ठीक है,
कह
ठीक
सकते
है,
हैं।
ठीक है। आप नहीं थे और अरुण जी उस दिन बड़ी लंबी चौड़ी बहस करके गए 3-4 दिन की
जी
है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा बिकॉज समवेयर यू आर आल्सो हिज काउंसिल, उतना लाइट डाल दीजिएगा
only that
कि
I'll be very brief once
नहीं,
these
नहीं,
facts are there. I'll be very brief.
sir, we have been waiting for you only for this reason that we know that we will get best of the assistance.
Thank you.
तो इसको 25 को कर लें, आपको 25 को कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं?
Yeah.
25 को कंक्लूड करें इसको,
25 को
हैं?
जी।
ठीक है। श्री सुरेंद्र सिंह, learned senior advocate, assisted by Shri Shivam Singh, heard in part. Since court time is over, list on 25 July for further arguments. I think you will be able to conclude within half an hour.
Maybe 45 minutes to an
45 minutes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. आप ब्रॉडली उस दिन में एक हफ्ते का टाइम है, बाकी लोगों को भी कवर करना चाहें तो कर लीजिएगा। अभी आई नो दैट आई एम
very
आस्किंग यू फॉर
no I'll prepare it.
थैंक यू सर,
I'll do it for all of them.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।